In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run Figma faster if lagging. If your designs feel sluggish, these focused adjustments will help you work more smoothly without changing your workflow. First, download the Figma desktop app for the best performance. Head to figma.com. Open the Product or Downloads section and choose the version for macOS or Windows. Install it, sign in, and open your files there. The native app generally runs faster than the browser because it taps into your system more efficiently and avoids the overhead of multiple browser processes. If you've been using Figma in a tab, moving to the desktop app alone can deliver a noticeable speed boost. Next, improve zooming responsiveness by using Pixel Preview. In Figma, open the View menu and select Pixel Preview. This mode renders your canvas in a pixelated form which is much lighter for your computer to process. Especially on low-end devices or when you are working with large images and complex vectors. You can choose the resolution level and see the keyboard shortcuts listed right in the menu for quick toggling. Use Pixel Preview when you need to move around quickly, inspect layout, or zoom across large areas. Then, turn it off when you want crisp, detailed views for final checks or export. If your file contains a lot of screens, split your designs into pages. In the Layers panel, click the page icon to create a new page. Then move related frames onto separate pages, such as by project section or feature. Figma loads pages dynamically, so you are only processing what you are actively viewing. This reduces memory usage and speeds up panning, zooming, and switching between artboards. Clear page names make this even easier to manage as your project grows. If you must run Figma in a browser, switch from Chrome to a lighter option like Microsoft Edge or Brave. Chrome can be resource fade intensive, which is especially noticeable on devices with limited memory or storage. A more efficient browser often provides a smoother experience with the same files. That said, the desktop app typically remains the fastest choice overall. Thanks for watching.